Hello friends, welcome to ICRA Technology. So today we are going to learn about polymorphism in Python. Polymorphism is again another core concept of object-oriented programming, which means many forms. In Python, polymorphism allows different classes to be treated as instance of same class through shared methods or interfaces, which means two different classes can share the methods, and one class might be doing something with the shared method and another class might be doing something else with that shared method. So why we use polymorphism? We use polymorphism for flexibility, as we can use common interface for defining different methods, and it is used for reusability. Again, it increases the reusability of the code. So what is meant by method overriding? Method overriding means, first let's understand the meaning of overriding. Overriding means, suppose you are writing something on a book, okay, and then you are cutting that and writing something else on the book. So the new line you write will be considered after striking the old one. So that's what overriding means. So method overriding means there is already a method defined. You use that defined method and change that method with by using the same name, and use the functionality in new way of the same method. So let's better understand this with an example. Here we have to create a we will create an animal class with method make sound that describes the generic animal sound. Then we will create a dog class that inherits from animal class and overrides the make sound to make the method specific sound for dog. So let's see how to do that. What first Let's first understand roughly what we are going to do in this program, then we will go in detail. So animal, we are creating a class animal which will have a method called as make sound. Okay, so this will be generic method because animal is a common noun, you can say, and there are different types of animals which make different sounds. So we will create a generic make sound method, and now every time anytime we create an animal from this class, from the generic animal class, suppose here we have created the dog class. Anytime we create a specific animal from which inherits from this animal class, we will provide the make sound functionality as per the dedicated class. So now let's understand this. So here we have a class called as animal, which is a generic class which has a generic function called as make sound. Okay, the animal makes a generic sound. Different animal makes different sounds, so any sound can be possible. So this is a generic sound. Now I am creating a dedicated dog class. Now we all know dog makes the sound of woof woof. Okay, dog barks. So now what we are doing is we are creating the dog class which is inheriting from animal class. So it is using the same make sound function, right? It is using the same make sound function which it is inherited from the base class, but now it is changing the functionality of it and giving it the sound of woof woof. So here we have generic sound. What is it is doing is it is utilizing the same function and changing its functionality. So what is happening, the function, see, the function in this class and this class is same, but the functionality is different. So it has same function has multiple forms. So this is what we call as polymorphism, or you can call as method overriding. So now when you create the object of the dog class, instead of and you will try to run the make sound function, it will call the overridden method. The which means the method we have created in this dog class. See, so let's quickly revise what polymorphism means. Polymorphism means one function having multiple forms. Okay, so why we use polymorphism? For flexibility and reusability. Then in polymorphism we have a concept called method overriding. You can consider method overriding as when you when same method have different forms. Okay, so yeah, that's all about today's video. Thank you.